Hello everyone and welcome to our Topper Pack plugins tutorial. In this video, I'll guide you through how to install and use our plugin step by step. First, go to the WordPress plugins page and search for Topper Pack in the search bar. Once you see the plugin, simply install and activate it. After activation, navigate to the Topper Pack dashboard. This is your main control panel for managing all widgets, extensions, custom post types, API settings, and more. Click on the Widgets tab to view all available widgets. You can easily enable or disable any specific widget by using the toggle switch next to it. After making your selections, don't forget to save your settings. In the Extensions tab, you'll find additional features. You can choose to enable all extensions at once or just the specific ones you need. Again, be sure to click Save after enabling them. Next, we have the CPT Builder, Custom Post Type Builder. This powerful feature allows you to create custom post types without writing a single line of code. You can add post types, taxonomies, and meta fields. Just fill in your custom content and hit save. If you want to remove a post type, you have two options. Remove from UI only, keeping the data in the database, or remove completely, which deletes it from your site. Choose the one that fits your need and save. We've also included API settings with support for Google Maps, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, MailChimp, and reCAPTCHA. Just enter your API credentials to connect. Under Extra Settings, you'll find tools like Assets Manager, Smooth Scroller, Template Library, Mega Menu, Custom Post Type Builder, Custom Icons, and Custom Fonts. You can also export your plugin settings by clicking the Export Settings button. This will generate a JSON file. To restore settings, simply import a JSON file. If you ever want to reset everything, use the Reset Settings option. Topper Pack's Theme Builder lets you design custom templates for header, footer, page title, single page, single post, 404 page, archive page, product archive, single product, cart page, and checkout page. To create a new template, click Add New Template. Give it a title like 404 page. Select 404 from the type dropdown and choose your display conditions and user roles. Then hit Publish and start designing with Elementor. The Ready Sites feature provides pre-designed demo websites. Simply preview the live demo, and if you like it, click Import. Then click Start Import and wait a few seconds while the demo content is added to your site. Topper Pack also lets you upload custom fonts for your website. Just enter the font name, select the variant, normal or italic, and upload your font files. We support multiple file types like TTF, WAF, and more. Once done, click Publish. And that's a full walkthrough of the Topper Pack plugin. We hope this tutorial helps you get started and make the most of all our features. Thank you so much for watching.